Hi guys, I just want to walk you through the model because today you're going to fill out the information from your research on the first historical example that you researched for your body paragraph section. So even before we start, let me just show you your outline and point to where you'll be filling out today. Just in your body paragraph part, you're skipping this for now, skipping the intro for now. We're going to come to that next week. The body paragraph is sort of the meat of the essay. So what you're going to fill out is just under this example one, you're going to fill out these first two bullet points. Okay? So that's our goal for today. And thinking about how you do that, we're going to go through an example. So think about what we know happened earlier this year when Community Roots closed down because of coronavirus. When we're thinking about what we need to know, we're thinking about those 5 W's and H. So who was involved? Community Roots people, the teachers and students, right? And the co-directors. What happened? The school was shut down. When? March 2019. Where? Brooklyn. And why? There's sort of two ways to think about why. It's sort of like what was the problem? And then why did they choose this solution? So what was the problem? Coronavirus was spreading through communities and was affecting a lot of people in New York. What was the solution? In order to prevent it spreading, people said that, experts said that everyone needs to limit the number of people they're coming close to. And since schools bring people together in shared spaces, school leaders decided that they were one of the places that needed to shut down. How? The co-directors, the leaders made their decision over the weekend, and then they notified families and teachers. So that seems like a whole lot of information. But when it gets down to it, you really are just filling out that short part that I showed you on the outline. So how does it get from here to here? And think of it this way. So one example is in your cases, there's movement, so it's a little bit different. But in March of 2019, we have when an infectious disease called coronavirus began spreading through the New York area. So what and where? To prevent the spread of the disease, many schools and businesses temporarily shut down. Why? Why did it happen, right? Including Community Roots Middle School in Brooklyn. Who? Okay? And you're going to apply the exact same thing by completing this section of your outline and saying, in the 1960s, New York movement for, what were they fighting for, right? You're doing all those same questions tailored to your social movement. And you don't need to go through the process of filling it out like this if your notes aren't already like that. But at the end, you can use that checklist as an exam. As a way of checking your work, making sure that you have all those things included. Okay. If you have any questions, reach out via email or you can sign up for office hours.